Hi guys, booted up AA in VirtualBox. Choices, right? 3 choices mainly. VMware. I see this Linux needs to go out here. Don't come into my video. Quit Discord. Voila. So, Qtile. I'm gonna install Qtile. That's possible as well. Sure it is. It's all the same. It's all based on Arch, so anything goes. Just set your mind to it. That's on the dev that I've set it. I'm gonna get the code from online, from GitHub. It's there. I'm gonna do Ctrl F so you see what's going on. Yes, hub, and it installs and it goes on. And then we can do full screen again. So it gets everything, it installs everything, it's unattended, it just does its thing. Create your own GitHub, not mine. Change your stuff, follow mine, follow the official one from Pico, and voila, you're in super control. And yes, you'll end up with sometimes, right, tiling window managers end up with something black. And then that's the time we put into all these packages. If you were wondering, and maybe now, if you see the video on Awesome, if you see the video on Qtile, if you see the video on lightdm, anything tiling window manager like, that's a lot of work to come from a black screen to a real environment that just works for you, like lightdm does now for us. And that's the fun, but it's also the effort, the pain, the frustrations, the blood and sweat, but the fun, the passion as well. I think I'm gonna drink a little bit. Cheers. Water ride. And here we are at the AOR tools. That means we're almost there, right? Yay, Inksy. So yes, you can install AOR packages with this tool, the Alice. The Arch Linux installation scripts, Alice. Well, we got a problem and we don't know what went on. It was just poof, but maybe we see it in the video later on what happens. But let's see. I can type something. Okay. Sudo reboot. Let's see what goes on. What's where it cuts off. Grub was already there, so that's okay. And lightdm is there as well. No, everything is installed. Whatever it was, it is okay. This is beautiful. Yeah, it is beautiful. It's a beautiful white, yeah, thingy, right? Do I need to put yay? Let's see, a Y behind it. Neo fetch. Already in order. Yes, already okay. So here you have it. You got Qtile, xterm, and now it's up to you. This is the standard configuration of Qtile. Then have a look at ours. A little bit different. All right, cheers.